Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to set up voicemail on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open phone application on your device. You can see over here the phone application has been opened. Now over here what you have to do is access the settings. For that, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find several options like call history, settings, help and feedback. Tap on the option settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for voicemail and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the voicemail interface. Keep in mind the option for voicemail may differ according to your carrier. So what you have to do is tap on the option advanced settings. Now you'll be able to set up the voicemail. First of all, select the service, tap on the field of service. Right now only your carrier option is available, so simply tap on it. Now tap on the option setup. Keep in mind the setup will be different according to your carrier service. So what you have to do is first of all tap on the option voicemail number. Now you'll have to set the voicemail number over here. Simply enter the number. Make sure to enter the correct number. After you enter the voicemail number, tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now after you enter the voicemail number, you can see over here the voicemail number will be changed. If your carrier service provides the feature for voicemail, you'll be prompted to record the message. Go ahead and record the message and the voicemail will be set up. So that is how you set up voicemail on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.